Good afternoon. Here's the news on Koiki Media. First, the headline. DIG Adeola A Adeniji honors Sunday Igboho with award for security contributions in Yoruba land. Now the news and details. I am Titilope Adako. A notable ceremony took place on February 20, 2026 at the Ibadan residence of Yoruba self-determination figure Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, where he was honored with the prestigious award by senior Nigerian police officer Adeola A Adeniji. According to the organizers, the award was specifically conferred on Sunday Igboho in recognition of his support for security agencies and his consistent advocacy on security challenges affecting communities across Yoruba land. DIG Adeola Adeniji stated during the presentation that the honor acknowledged Igboho's efforts and drawing attention to security concerns, mobilizing community awareness and contributing to conversations aimed at protecting lives and property. He emphasized that community collaboration with security institutions remains essential in addressing threats such as criminal activities, rural insecurity, and communal tensions. The senior police officer noted that individuals who actively promote vigilance, lawful engagement, and public awareness play an important role in strengthening national and regional security frameworks. Observers at the ceremony highlighted that Sunday Igboho's activities over the years have centered largely on raising alarms over insecurity and advocating protective measures for local communities. Supporters present described the award as recognition of his day and night engagement on security matters affecting Yoruba communities. Speaker at the event stressed that community-based advocacy, when aligned with lawful processes, can complement the efforts of security agencies in maintaining peace and stability. The atmosphere was celebratory, with attendants describing the moment as a bridge between local leadership and institutional recognition. In his remarks, Sunday Igboho expressed gratitude for the honor, dedicating the award to Yoruba people at home and in the diaspora. He reiterated his commitment to advocating for safety, peaceful coexistence, and community development. He also encouraged stronger cooperation between citizens and security agencies, emphasizing that collective responsibility remains key to lasting peace. Analysts say the recognition underscores the growing importance of community participation in addressing security challenges in Nigeria. The ceremony also reflects Ibadan's continuing role as a major center for cultural dialogue and leadership recognition within Yoruba land. The OOSA award presentation stands as a symbolic acknowledgement of efforts aimed at promoting security awareness and safeguarding communities across the region. And that is the news. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.